This is the new AccuWeld system. It is so advanced and so simple to use. We brought it in from the future. Come take a closer look. Considering I am such an advanced piece of technology, I've actually never done some welding, so this will be my first ever attempt. Please watch closely. This will only actually happen once. Okay, maybe twice. Seriously guys, that type of result, and I never welded. Welcome to the AccuWeld. It's going to change the way you think about welding machines. It's compact, it's portable, it's versatile. It's a machine for you. Now, let's take a bit of a closer look at the technology that we have available to us. One, considering I've never welded, I didn't need much experience because there's some built-in presets for things like carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminium. We can simply come in here and go and select 1 mil, 3 mils. There's already built-in profiles. It is set up so nicely. I picked it up and done a pretty good job. There's so much functionality behind this machine, but most of all, you don't need a degree in welding. Machine very, very straightforward, but it also comes with the automatic feeder. Of course, we can change out our filaments. Guys, you know how this goes, but it's a set. You know what? I'm actually so kind of dialed into this thing right now. I'm going to try and weld a couple of other things. Let's see. Is the AccuCut accurate enough to take a novice like me and turn me into a professional? I think so. Okay, so I may not be the best welder, but as you can see, for someone who's never welded before, I don't think I've done such a good job, but your machine's only going to be as good as the professional who uses it. So there you go guys, a little bit of playing with the new welding machine, and I'll be honest with you, it's fantastic. But you know what, let me show you guys how we really made this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Now I'm stuck. Donnie, I'm still stuck.
At AM.CO.za, we sell machines, we fix machines, we teach machines, and we feed everyone in the process. Just for you.